Today, Oreo is presented dull and lethargic and has a history of splenic mass. We suspect he is anemic and may require a blood transfusion. In this Vet Radar workflow, we'll be operating in an emergency environment. We'll admit Oreo into hospital, create a treatment sheet for him, conduct a physical exam, run bloods, and give him some pain relief. Let's get started. Open up Oreo's appointment inside the EasyVet dashboard. Once inside the clinical record, click Send to Vet Radar. Inside of Vet Radar, we can see all the patients in the hospital. Click on Oreo to open up his profile. Then select Create Sheet and give it a name. Now, go down to the bottom section where it says Apply Templates. Click on Please Select Template, and for this procedure, let's switch to the Canine Emergency Admit template. You'll see here that it's adding both a treatment sheet template and a linked workflow template. Because this is an emergency, we're going to adjust the zoom level on the treatment sheet to every 15 minutes so we can monitor Oreo more closely. Click on the blue bar above the task line to open the physical exam. Start entering in your values. In the assessment section under nursing care, you can add any extra notes from the physical exam. For example, the decision to prepare Oreo for a blood transfusion to stabilise him before he goes into surgery. Once those notes have been recorded, we'll scroll down the sheet to blood work beside the orange line. We choose the blood tests we want to run and schedule those onto Oreo's sheet. Once those tasks are completed, those requests will be sent through to the blood machines and trigger any integrations that we have set up in EasyVet. Now, let's add some pain relief for Oreo. Click on Add Treatments at the top below Day 1. Today, we'll issue methadone. Enter the correct dose, and Vet Radar will calculate the total dosage, total volume, and the billing quantity per task. Then set the schedule to have it repeat every 8 hours until the patient is discharged. That is then scheduled onto our sheet, and we can easily tick that off and confirm we have given Oreo his methadone. Lastly, just scroll up to the top where you can see My Workflow and tick off the remaining tasks to be completed before Oreo has his blood transfusion. In the next episode, we'll create a blood transfusion sheet for Oreo and carry out the procedure before he goes into surgery.